गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 1 टू बिग स्टेट्स। अभी मैं आपको ये चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करवाऊंगी, फिर आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और वन सेंटेंस के आंसर करवाऊंगी, ठीक है। इन इंडिया द period of Gupta age is considered from 328 to 658 in the unit. The administration system of this age is narrated in the North India. The empire of the Variant King Harshvardhan was extended up to East Bengal all the way from Afghanistan. His elder brother Rajyavardhan had to shoulder the responsibility of the throne of Thoneshwar at very young age, and he carried it out very efficiently. He won back the state of his sister Rajyashri. For Rajeshri too, he continued his journey of triumph for 7 years and set up a large empire. He tried despite and strengthened his state. He assigned different responsibilities to 7 different ministers and took on hand the works of public welfare. He put a ban on killing of living creatures and had construction done. He encouraged literature and religion for the protection of civilization. The great poet Bana adopted his the code. To encourage education, he had donated 100 villages for the maintenance of the Nalanda University. He had adopted equality of all religions. Sarva Dharma Sambhav. Therefore, during his rule, trade and business and developed for exchange in trade and business. Gold and silver coins were used in time of Chinese travel. Yuan Travis visited India. He stayed in India for 15 years and had a appreciated administrative system of Harshvardhan. His travel diary has mentions this as the evidence for his craze of getting continuous victories. He had to face defeat in the battle against Pulkeshi II in south. With his death in 643, his rule came to an end. Vatapi. In South India, the rules of Chalukya dynasty rules. Kings like Pulkeshi I, Kirtivarma, Manglesh and Pulkeshi II and Vatapi quite prosperous. Pulkeshi II had won over the regions of Krishna and Godavari all the way from large regions of Gujarat. He had also established his rule in Andhra Pradesh. He has prevented Harshavardhan proceed further from the Narmada. Pulkeshi II himself was one. He had pictures painted in the caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri. Today also some of these cave paintings exist in the Ajanta caves. In the period of Pulkeshi II, he had visited Vatapi. He had admired the prosperity of Vatapi, allowed the rules of the Chalukya dynasty, followed the Hindu region. Of course, later the influence of the Digambar branch of Jain religions had increased in 642 AD. Pulkeshi II died while fighting against the king of Pallava dynasty of Kanchivaram. अभी ये इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ब्रीफली। चलो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वन सेंटेंस आंसर आपको दे दिए, ठीक है। इतना करना है आपको।